Hello, hello. Happy Thursday to all of us. Now, same as usual, I'm eating of Sisi. And now is the same background, but it's Thursday and it's the end of July. It's already July 31. And weekend, so I'm waiting. And the bus is here already. Ayun na yung bus ni Sisi. Okay, so happy weekends to all of us. More blessings. Thank you talaga. Thank you so much. She's a little boy, a little girl. Okay, so how's your day? Also look, very hot. It's hot now, Susie. Ayan na yung telepon ni mama mo.
Where?
Ayan o, si mama mo nagtelepon na. Ayan na yung bus. Andyan ba yung school? Ayan yung yata yung sundo ng little boy. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Andyan yata nag-aantay na. We are here and happy Friday to all of us. Thank you. Asan mo yun nandyan? Yung school bus yata nandyan. Nagano, dali nag-go. I-remove mo muna yan na hold it there. I-remove ko. Ay, nag-push. Stand up ka muna dyan. I-remove natin ito. Okay. Okay. Ano muna ng tray. Ayan. Nandito na kami. Thank you to some vlogger that you're still helping to me. And my channel that I have. Simply channel that what I have. Thank you so much all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. Thank you, and good luck sa mga highest mga vlogger that they are blessed already. So thank you so much. Everything, and God bless and provide what we have. And happy weekends and say bye-bye.